Oh, it
Yeah,
was a fantastic year.
yeah. It was. I suppose
It was only a few years ago, wasn't it?
Ashton.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Yeah, you know yourself.
Yeah.
But yeah, Year of the Cat. Good album actually.
It is a good
It is
album.
a good album if you like that genre of music. But it's always stuck with me, and I do remember going out and buying it, and it was a cool album to have at the time. Anyway, we'll move on.
It was well written, by the way.
Oh yeah, well,
Yeah.
he was a talented man. I don't know what he's doing these days. If he's still with us.
Don't you start that now.
I really don't know. but staying in that laid back vein, a track from Steely Dan, Do It Again.
So that's Steely Dan.
That's them, yeah.
That's a chilled out song, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Oh, great band.
Yeah.
Great band. Very, they were great perfectionists in what they did. It was, again, at the time, it doesn't seem like it listening to it these days, but
I know, yeah.
that was a real out there type of music, you know. It was, no one else was doing that kind of stuff. Could have chosen a good few tracks, but that's the best known
So
one.
we can do it again.
We can do it again.
Of course we can
With
do
another
it.
song
Yeah.
from them at a different time, surely. I like Steely Dan.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's them, so we'll go with track 6 now, and way back to the good old days, The Doors
Ah,
and Light My Fire.
no, those you'll probably know this one.
Oh, I'd say he
He was around when this was being made, I'd say.
when he was around. I don't know if he was on the earth.
You know that it would be untrue. You know that I would be a liar if I was to say to you, girl, we couldn't get much higher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire. The time to hesitate is through. No time to wallow in the mire. Try now, we can only lose, and our love become a funeral pyre. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire. No time to wallow in the mire. Try now, we can only lose, and our love become a funeral pyre. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on fire. Yeah. You know that it will be untrue. You know that I would be a liar if I was to say to you, girl, we couldn't get much higher. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Try to set the night on 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 fire.
So that's the Doors.
That's